Welcome. In front of me is a Nokia C32, and today I will show you how we can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, we're gonna open up our settings. From here you wanna scroll all the way down. There we go, to System, and then select Reset Options. Erase all data, factory reset. It will give you a message that performing this will remove all the data on your device. So if you keep anything on your phone that you want to preserve, maybe some documents, photos or music, make a backup copy of it before you begin, because once you go through this, the data will be removed and this cannot be undone. So it will be at that point permanently lost. Anyway, assuming you have already made a copy or you simply don't want to, you can then select Erase All Data. It gives us a notification that we need to have our device at least, 15% probably? Doesn't really specify, but yeah, my battery is a little bit too low, so it won't let me go through it. But the gist of it is, once you select Erase All Data, it will show you another page where it tells you that this will delete all data. Are you sure? And you're gonna press Erase All Data once again, at which point it's gonna factory reset your device, and once it's completed, you'll be then presented with Android setup screen. So that's basically it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.